Dear viewers, we have the problem. The period of f of x is equal to sin inverse of sin x plus e power tan x. So, here f of x is equal to what? Sin inverse of sin x plus e power tan x. Here, this function sin inverse of sin x period is 2 pi and e power tan x period is pi. So f of x period is LCM of 2 pi comma pi is equal to 2 pi. So we have the option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem f of x is equal to lambda of sin x, lambda of mod sin x plus lambda square of modulus cos x plus g lambda. Here this f of x is equal to lambda mod sin x plus lambda square mod cos x plus g lambda as the period is equal to pi by 2. Means what? Here period means x plus p is equal to f of x. So f of x have the period p, least value of p. So here f of x plus pi by 2. Why? Because given this period is pi by 2. So lambda of modulus sin of pi by 2 plus x plus lambda square of modulus cos of pi by 2 plus x plus g lambda. So here f of x plus pi by 2 plus is equal to lambda of, what is this one? This one sin of pi by 2 plus x is cos x. Okay, all of you. Plus lambda square of this one cos of pi by 2 plus x is minus sin x plus g lambda. So we have f of x plus pi by 2 is equal to lambda of modulus cos x, this one plus lambda square of this is sin x plus g lambda. So here f of x plus pi by 2 is equal to what? F of x. Why? Because it is period is what? Pi by 2. Is f of x is equal to lambda of modulus cos x plus lambda square of modulus sin x plus g lambda is equal to, here f of x is equal to what? F of x is equal to lambda of modulus sin x plus lambda square of modulus cos x plus g lambda. Here g lambda get cancelled. You can take this into this side. So we have lambda of modulus cos x. So you take this into this side. So lambda of modulus sin x minus modulus cos x. Okay, you can take this into this side. So and minus common lambda square of modulus sin x minus modulus cos x. Okay, all of you. This is equal to 0. But here you observe here in this you take common modulus sin x minus modulus cos x. Modulus sin x minus modulus cos x equal to 0. This is not valid. And one more, lambda minus lambda square equal to 0. Lambda square minus lambda is equal to 0. Lambda of lambda minus 1 equal to 0. Lambda is equal to 0. This is not valid. Why? Because f of x is equal to this is 0. So only lambda is equal to 1 is the valid value. So we have the option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Here viewers, we have the problem. The period of sin x plus sin 120 degrees plus x, sin 120 degrees minus x is. So we have f of x is equal to, this is sin x into sin 120 degrees minus x first. This is 120 degrees plus x is there. So we know the formula, sin theta into sin of 120 degrees minus theta into sin of 120 degrees plus theta is equal to 1 by 3 into sin 3 theta. So we have f of x is equal to 1 by 3 into sin 3 theta. So sin 3 theta, sin 3x, sin 3x. So we have the 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into sin 3 theta, 1 by 4 into. So we have, what is the period? Period is 2 pi by mod 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3 is the answer. So we have the 2 pi by 3, option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem tan theta. So f of theta is equal to tan theta minus 1 by 3 into tan cube theta into 1 by 3 minus tan square theta whole power minus 1. F of theta is equal to, here tan theta minus 1 by 3 tan cube theta by 1 by 3 minus, this is tan square theta. Here LCM is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta. Denominator LCM 3, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. 3 get cancelled. F of theta is equal to what? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 into tan square theta is equal to what? This is tan 3 theta. So if f of x is equal to tan ax, then what is the period? Period is pi by mod a. Okay. So similarly, tan 3 theta, tan 3 theta period is what? Period is, so pi by mod 3 is equal to pi by 3. So we have the option 1 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Here viewers, we have the problem period of. So period of f of x is equal to what? Cot of 5 minus 7x by 2. Period of cot of 5 minus 7x by 2 is, so f of x is equal to this one. So f of x is equal to, you can write cot of 5 by 2 minus 7 by 2x. Generally cot ax period is 5 by mod a. So f of x period is, that is 5 by modulus 7 by 2, that is 2 pi by 7 is the period. This minus of modulus is plus, so we have the 2 pi by 7. So option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you.